welcome back to the Compliance Kitchen podcast. Today I want to look at the recent residency protections that were introduced for the displaced Ukrainians by the EU. Before we get going, please note that what you hear on Compliance Kitchen is not legal advice and it should not be used as such. So the first week of March is when the Council of the EU adopted a unanimous decision introducing temporary protection due to the influx of persons fleeing Ukraine due to the war. The temporary protection is an emergency mechanism, and the goal is to provide an immediate and collective, which means without the need for examination of individual applications, protection to these displaced persons who are not in a position to return to their country of origin. In this case, that would be Ukraine. The temporary protection extends rights to reside in the EU and also grants access to the labor market and housing, as well as medical assistance and access to education for children. The temporary protection will be in effect for an initial period of 1 year. This may be extended automatically by 6 monthly periods for, again, a maximum of another year. Ukrainian nationals, as well as third country nationals or stateless persons benefiting from international protection in Ukraine, and their family members will benefit from this temporary protection if they resided in Ukraine before or on February 24 of this year. For third country nationals that were residing in Ukraine before this date with a permanent residence permit and who cannot safely return to their country, member states shall apply either temporary protection or adequate protection under their national law. So the member states, the EU member states, may also apply this decision to other persons if they choose to do so, including any third country nationals who are residing legally in Ukraine and, again, who are unable to safely return to their country of origin, as well as Ukrainians who fled not long before the 24th of February and found themselves in EU territory just before that date. For example, maybe they were traveling for work or vacation purposes.